Hi everyone! If you're an international student, you'll need to register for your classes on time. Today, I'll be walking you through the entire registration process so that it's simple and stress-free. Ready? Let's get started. Before you register, you have to check if you have a hold on your account. Holds can stop you from registering. Let's take a look at the different type of holds. To view your holds, log into My Humber, click Student Records, click View Holds. A study permit hold means that you need to upload your letter of introduction or Humber study permit. If you are a current Humber student extending your study permit, you need to upload your letter of submission. You can upload your immigration documents through the form under this video. The accounts receivable hold means that you still have your tuition fees to pay. If you've paid your deposit, you need to pay your remaining fees to be able to register. To find out how much you need to pay, follow these steps. Log into My Humber, click on Student Account and Fees, click on Account Summary by Term. At the top, there will be a tab for Account Balance. The account balance will now show up. Please note that the negative sign on your record does not reflect the amount of money owing. It reflects the money credited to your account. The student enrollment hold means that you haven't paid your tuition deposit yet. If you've already done so and the money hasn't been applied yet, please contact the Office of Registrar. To do so, fill out the Humber Inquiry Contact Form or call this phone number. The time ticket hold simply means that it is not your turn to register yet. To check when your course is open for registration, go to Humber's registration, date, time, and type webpage. Follow this link. Before you register, figure out whether your program is block-based or course-based. You can do so by going to the same webpage. If your registration is block-based, log into My Humber, click Student, click Registration, click Register for Classes, select the term, click Block, click the block that you want, click on Submit. If the status shows green and says registered, you're all set. If your registration is course-based, log into My Humber, click Student and then click Academic Progress to see what classes you need to take for the upcoming semester. Make note of the CRN or course reference number, then go to the registration page, click Register for Classes, click Find Classes, fill in the subject and course code, click Search, add the ones that you want, click Submit, all done. To view your timetable, go back to My Humber page, click Students, click Student Records, and on the right, you'll see the Timetable tab. If you're facing issues registering for classes, we recommend going to your faculty's office directly. If there is a class you wish to drop, but you are unable to do so through My Humber, please use the registration e-form. To submit the registration e-form, log into your My Humber account, click Student Records, click Records Registration e-form, complete the remainder of the e-form, click Submit Form. That's it. Also check when is the last date to be able to add a course or the last date to drop a course by following Humber's academic calendar. Go to Academic Calendar webpage, select an academic year, select term, click Apply to view all important dates. Congratulations! You're ready to register for your classes at Humber. Here's a quick reminder, if you register after registration week, a late registration fee of $150 will be applied. If you need help registering for classes or you have other questions, you can reach out to Humber International by filling out the contact form, dropping by the office, or using the live chat icon on our page. If you have registration issues, please contact your faculty or the registrar's office directly. If you want to find out more about life in Toronto and Humber, chat with our international student ambassadors like me on our website. Scroll down our main page until you see Connect with a Humber International Student. Choose an ambassador who you'd like to chat with to know more about student life at Humber. Good luck, and we can't wait to see you on campus. Bye!